Oh, good morning, everyone. It's Susie, Crypto Granny here. The date is the 15th of the 2nd, 2021, and it's about 12:30 in Amsterdam today. We did see a healthy correction in markets. They were generally down about 10% or so. Obviously, variances depending on which particular cryptocurrency you're talking about. And it was mainly because of the Chinese New Year. Generally, when we see the Chinese New Year, we do see a bit of selling down for some, just over that to a couple of days period. So we're actually looking at the year of the ox this year, and basically the year of the ox is if you work hard, it's certainly going to pay off this year in terms of hard work and wealth, and I do believe that myself. Now, this podcast is a little bit different from my Patreon members that pay. I give them, we look at trading execution for portfolios in terms of trading portfolios, execution and trades for investment portfolios. We also look at portfolios potentially for DeFi, but also portfolios for staking and other forms of income. So it's something you don't get on this just as a podcast to YouTube. But I do appreciate you following me, and if you really want more education and understanding to how to set up portfolios in terms of investment portfolios with proper risk metrics, volatilities, information ratios, rate of return factors, as well as reduced volatility, then come and see me for sure. And also we set up trading portfolios and everything else. So look on my Patreon. But anyway, let's get on with the news. So we did have the Chinese New Year, and last year we did see a sell-off, if you remember rightly, as well. Now, there's a lot going on today, and let me just go through that. We did see a lot of volume go through overnight on the weekend. 27 billion volume in Tether, Bitcoin 9 billion, Ethereum 5.8 billion, XRP 1.69 billion, ADA Cardano 1.62 billion, Litecoin 1.6, Dogecoin 1.4, Binance around 1.28 billion. So very, very high indeed. Bitcoin dominance is 61%, and that slightly came down, not much, but 61% at the moment, actually, at 60.9%. Market cap is 1.467 trillion, 24-hour volume 92 bill, which is a lot, and liquidity is 2.78 bill, so that's quite a lot indeed. If we go through some of the news today, Charles Hoskins came out from Cardano and compares Ethereum to a 96-year-old karate fighter in a wheelchair, which I thought was quite funny. He said they're not a serious competitor. I tend to agree with them. Ethereum fees are just through the roof. They're astronomical. He said that only 31% of new dApps that came out were deployed on Ethereum, and Ethereum is losing a lot of their business simply because of the cost of finance. Now, we saw that cost of transactions. We saw Ethereum had a DeFi called Harvest Finance on there and a Value DeFi, and they announced that they were going to Binance Smart Chain, okay? And we saw that also with PancakeSwap. Now, this is the problem with Ethereum. A lot of the dApps and a lot of the DeFi, because of the cost of Ethereum, it's killing all those dApps. It makes costs, say, if you use Uniswap or any other DeFi, very, very expensive. It's on Ethereum. So they're seeing a lot of move away from the Ethereum platform to cheaper platforms like Binance Smart Chain and also Tron, okay? And we are seeing a lot more transactions going through Tron. As I said before, Tron's transactions have surpassed Ethereum's this month, simply because they're a lot cheaper and they're a faster system. Ethereum's high fees are basically crippling Ethereum, and they're crippling the DeFi growth for other platforms, okay? So as far as I'm concerned, Ethereum's going to die, a horrible death if they don't go to proof of stake. And this is one of the reasons why I don't like Ethereum, okay? It's a real problem for Ethereum. And I think anything, near 2,000, it's at fair value, fully valued, and I'd be looking at other alternatives to buying Ethereum, okay? We did see Bitcoin get to a high of 49,714, and then the market sold it, but I do believe Bitcoin will go higher. This will be an opportunity right here to buy, and I have a target on Bitcoin, just a very short-term target of 54,215. Now, Elon Musk came out and criticised Dogecoins for their distribution concentration. There's high concentration to whales in this coin. Now, so many coins and tokens have a high concentration risk. of whales. You never find there's a big distribution of retail clients. And that's an important thing when you look at cryptocurrency reviews. You do find a lot of coins and tokens have massive whales in them that can sell down the coin or token any time, and they effectively don't have any lockup. So it's something you really need to look at, okay? Twitter, Jack Dorsey and rapper Jay-Z unveil Bitcoin fund. Twitter are looking at using Bitcoin potentially to pay its employees and vendors, okay? Visa adding crypto to its payment network and is partnering with Boulevard Neobank, and basically it wants to use its clients and, clients be able to sell and store and sell digital currency. And they're also doing it with Anchorage Crypto Bank, Anchorage Cryptocurrency Bank as well. Also, MasterCard, as you know, are coming in as well. Morgan Stanley are thinking about adding crypto to their investment assets. They have a lot of wealth managers, Morgan Stanley. I used to work for them. They have a lot of high net worth clients. And obviously all those high net worth clients are saying, why don't we get into cryptocurrency? So I think it's only a matter of time before Morgan Stanley get into cryptocurrency. BetGaming Network also is launching a new crypto casino offering. We know that BNY Mellon Bank are setting up a multi-asset digital custody, and they've signed also with Google Cloud deal to overhaul their treasury settlements process, okay? Also that we know Amazon is hiring people in Mexico for more crypto-type jobs. It looks like Amazon's going to go into crypto very soon. And London is slashing red tape to embrace London town as a Bitcoin crypto town. In Hong Kong, there's a bill to ban retail crypto traders. Now, that's significant because China obviously owns Hong Kong now, and in China, you're not allowed to trade crypto. I think it's going to be a real problem. Switzerland advocate bank custody of crypto. So that's big in itself. The FSA, which is the UK Investigatory Authority, investigates 52 crypto businesses in 2020. They say they're very complex cases and they need more people to help them do this sort of thing, which doesn't surprise because crypto can be quite complex. Japan's financial giant SBI, which we know is a big supporter of XRP, is seeking to have other crypto joint ventures with foreign firms to get more adoption and distribution of cryptocurrency. Now, the SBI are a huge financial conglomerate in Japan. They own Teo, which is an exchange over there, cryptocurrency exchange, and they own 90% of a market maker in London called B2C2. And they're looking to expand the distribution of XRP, and they pay their clients and people in XRP, okay? Another big story today is Deutsche Bank launches crypto custody service. The Deutsche Bank want to come in and buy and sell cryptocurrency too. I mean, everyone's coming in. It's just amazing, okay? Now, the US said that we've got so many corporates coming in and companies and banks and everything. We need to have clear crypto regulation because of it. And the US are just totally behind in terms of regulation. Seriously, it's not funny. Now, also, Jed was out there selling XRP. He has about, I think it's about 3 billion XRP he's still to sell. Cardano mainnet is being upgraded with the Mary upgrade, and that'll be at the end of the month, and that will literally transform them from a blockchain to a multi-asset network. And that's why Cardano's been doing very, very well indeed, okay? Now, according to Jeremy Hogan, a settlement between Ripple and the SEC could happen very soon. Now, that would be very, very bullish for Ripple, okay, XRP, if that's the case, that there would be a settlement. Now, also, even artists are getting involved in, cryptocurrency as well. Elon Musk said he might do his own coin, which is a bit of a joke. Honestly, that guy is very prolific. But look, it's just getting more and more people are looking at this, and it's getting bigger and bigger, okay? VeChain is said to be Amazon Web Service of the blockchain, which is interesting, as Sunny Liu says. But when we look at the social media for the top 10, it's DigiByte they're talking about today, SushiSwap, Bitcoin Cash, Hatter, Dash, Kusama, PokerStar, Cosmos and Anchor. And if we look at our trading models for bullish and negative, against negative 125, bullish against negative 10. And we're getting the 10 out of 10s as all the cryptos would think, like Theta, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, XRP, Binance, BNT, Tezos, Neo, ADA, GRT, Swipe and the like, okay? So there is so much going on, and when we look at what's coming out, we know it's Chinese New Year, it's President's Day. If you look at the equity markets, they went much higher overnight. No matter of fact, they've broken out to a rallying, risk on rally. There's an absolute shortage in silver, a physical shortage. I'm surprised where gold is, because gold's not doing anything at 18.12, but silver's going up 27.57. US yen 105.29. Interest rates are starting to rise, and the US 10-year bond rates at 121. But it doesn't seem to be stopping the rally in the equity market. Now, there's risk on in the equity market, and the fact that there's risk on in the equity market means that this market, the cryptocurrency market, I do believe this sell-off will be very shallow. It won't be a massive sell-off, and people will come in and buy this because there's just so much money coming into this market. There is a wall of money coming into this market. Now, I'll talk to my patrons, but that's for my YouTube clients. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.